Welcome to AGORACOM, Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show, bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them, maybe even find your next great small cap investments. Monday, May the 2nd, 2011. It's a pretty big day today. Canadian elections today, going to have big impact on the economy. Let's hope for a conservative majority. It's not a political view, but the last thing this country needs from an economic point of view and small cap investors need from an economic point of view is an NDP-led coalition with Jack Layton as our new prime minister. That would probably be a little bit disastrous, especially to the mining industry. So get out there and vote. Second, as you've all heard by now, Osama bin Laden dead. Big news dominating the airwaves. I don't think it has significant impact on the markets. Nonetheless, something worth mentioning. Let's get to the one press release today. Nothing material from the resources side, and I'm wondering if a lot of companies actually held off on press releases given the Osama news last night and maybe not wanting to get caught up in the news cycle vacuum. But it is out of LYRtech, trades on the venture under LTK. They put out their 2010 results. Here are the highlights. Revenues, $8.6 million versus $7.2 last year. I think that's up somewhere around 19%. EBITDA, $1.3 million, and they've got a backlog of $30 million. That's all pretty important given the fact that the company has a market cap of about $3.7 million as of today. Louis Belanger, president of the company and CEO, said, our industry experienced a significant recovery in 2010 that translated to high margin development contracts for the company. What do? They basically provide signal processing technologies that are vital to network and wireless communications, audio and video processing. They're in partnership with industry leaders such as Texas Instruments, the MathWorks, and Xilinx. So they got some good partners there, and they say their customers include many prestigious names from the world of consumer electronics, telcos, aerospace, and defense from around the world. Close on Friday, 15 cents. 25 on the 52-week high, 3.5 on the low, and as I said, looks like a market cap of $3.7 million. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. Just one press release for you today. I think that's because of the Osama effect. Look for more great news tomorrow, especially if you watch this on Globe Investor and you look for resources companies. Don't despair. We have covered some pretty good companies over the past few days. And depending on where you watch this, either below me or to the left of me on Globe, you'll see the companies we've covered and their news over the past few days. Read up on that. And if you're not already there, get the front page of AGORACOM, watch the show, take a look at the best headlines to the right of me, and get into the directory to discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.